Hairsticks 101. Hairsticks will hold your hair, but there is a technique that I'm going to show you. So let's do a simple bun because this is not about hairstyle. This is about how to use a hair stick. So we're going to take our hair back into a ponytail. Going to make a good, nice, tight twist there at the base. Now, if you want your hair looser, then you can do looser, but always start with a good, nice base. Tuck your ends under the bun. Now, we're going to take the hair stick. At the 2 o'clock position, we are going to grab the edge of the bun, go out 1 inch. This should be in an upward motion. Go out 1 inch, and we are actually going to touch the scalp and gather that hair. Touching the scalp. We're gathering scalp hair now as we flip. Right at the very edge of the bun, we're going to come back through that bun. Now it is locked into position. If your hair is super slippery, go ahead and put another one in. In 2 o'clock and 10 o'clock. Again, grab the edge of the bun, out 1 inch, gathering that scalp hair as you flip, and come back through the bun. It's not going anywhere. It's sewed together. You're going to be disappointed if you use this method. Straight in, trying to gather scalp. Yeah, it gets loose over time. You don't want to use that method. Use the first one. It works.